Hi, today we will see a new lesson how to use if statement in Java with creating a program to learn these basics. Now let's start. Let's open the apps. Let's create a new project, Java application. First program. No space, I think. Okay. Let's delete this because we don't need this. Let's delete it. Let's start the program. Let's print something first. Oh, there is something missing. I think this. Okay, let's print. Let's start by printing something. System point out point println. Let's print. You are welcome to even or odd number. Let's put /n to return to the line and write enter your number, and let's make 2 points, 2 points, and let's make /n to return to the line, and let's close the with point and virgule. Now let's get the number from the user scanner, the name of the variable input. Let's write input is equal to new scanner system point in. Let's close now and now let's create a variable for the number, int number equal to input point. Let's search next int because our variable is int. Now let's start the if statement. If, two parentheses, and let's write here the condition number, the rest of the division of number by 2 is equal to 0. That's okay. Let's write here the code. System out println number is please number please is even and let's close it now like this. Let's write another condition here. This is the first condition, else system out println number is odd. Let's try now the program. You are welcome to even or odd number. Enter your number. Let's add the number. Let's try 14. 14 is even. Let's make space here and here, and let's delete this /n, and let's see now how it's work. Let's write 14. 14 is even. Let's try another number. Let's try 111 is odd. So as we see, the program is work. Thanks for watching and wait for the next videos.